everyone, so today I have a lunch meeting and I'm going to be cooking food for it because it's my turn to do food. We each take turns for it. So because I'm a work from home mom, most of the other people usually just bring like pizza or something quick like that or something they can throw together in the morning. I figure since I have the ability to be able to bring something fresh from home straight to the meeting that I usually cook for it. So I've also had a lot of requests from like our pork chop video and other videos that we do more food videos. So I'm going to show you real quick how I throw together barbecue chicken in a 9x13 to take to meetings and things. So here's my 9x13 of chicken. All I've done was take 2 packs of chicken. They're boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I think I paid $1.49 a pound after a coupon for them. And I'm going to be adding the seasoned salt from Aldi's. It has salt, sugar, spices including paprika, turmeric, onion, cornstarch, garlic, and some preservatives in it. And then I'm going to be using the Aldi's Italian seasoning. And I'm going to be putting some black pepper on it. And I'm going to sprinkle them all on. I'm going to use a brush if I need to spread it out. I might add a little bit of oil to it. And then I think I have the oven set for 400. And then I'm going to start baking them at 20 minutes. And here's what it looks like. I did end up using a little bit of Matt's extra virgin olive oil on it to help brush in the seasonings. And I took the brush and went in between each one to try to get up the sides a little bit. You can see it a little bit on that one where I did it. But yeah, that's all I do. And then all I'm going to do is pop it in the oven for 20 minutes. And if it's not done, then I'll check it and put it back in. But we'll see you in about 20 minutes. And let's take a look. Woo, and fogged up the camera. Oh, that smells so good though. I have a feeling those are actually not done. I'm gonna stick a meat thermometer in those real quick. Alright, let's pick this fat one right here at the end. I don't think those are quite done. Okay, so I'm gonna wash that off. And we are gonna give them about 10 more minutes. I had a feeling since I put so many in there this time and how big those are that it was gonna need a little bit longer time. So let's do 10 minutes. You can also bump it up to 425 sometimes, but I prefer slower cooking chicken so that it doesn't dry out. So let's try it for 10 more minutes. Alright, so my timer went off and Madeline was nice enough to turn it off for me. And so we are going to turn the light back on. And we are going to shove this meat thermometer back into the chicken that is fogging up my camera. Let's try this piece this time. It looks nice and fat and juicy. Try that. Nope, we are stalled out at 130. It has been in for 40 minutes. And I think where I was off on my time was that last time I did use chicken tenders. And this time using chicken breasts. So we're going to pull it out, temp it again. I ended up cutting it because I was just unsure. And I would rather double check. So we're going to pull it out and check. Alright, let's try this again. After 40 minutes, we have got our minimum of right at 160, and our chicken is tender and juicy. And yeah, I got it off a little bit because I'd forgotten that last time I did chicken tenders instead of like really fat chicken breasts like these are. So my time was off by 10-20 minutes. So now it's done. You can see how juicy that is. I don't know if I can do it while holding the camera, but let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. So it is ready. My next step is I'm going to let it cool until it's just able to where I can touch it. And then we will finish making it into barbecue chicken. Sarah, you try this for mommy.
And don't eat the pork.
Is it good? Be honest. They want you to be honest. Be honest. Is it good?
It's delicious.
Now I'm fixing to barbecue it.
It's not good. It's delicious.
Alright, Paul. Chicken is completely done now, and we have drained all the juice off into a can I was using that needed thrown out. And then, so you can see, there's no more juice in the bottom. And now the next step is we're just going to shred it. So now you can see that it has been cut up. I've cut it into chunks right now. All I'm going to do now is take these scissors and sit here and go like this. Sorry, I just dropped the cameras on my wrist right now. And then you can see it makes it into finer chunks. If you're not making it into barbecue sandwiches, you can skip this step and just go on to the next part. But because I'm making it into barbecue sandwiches, to serve for a group meeting, then I'm doing it this way. But I will show you again whenever it is finally cut up from here. There we have it. It's more finely shredded. You can see it's in smaller pieces now. Now all I'm going to do is take this barbecue sauce and pour it over the top. 1 bottle of barbecue sauce later, and we are ready to stir it in. Once I have everything stirred in, I like to put a little bit on the top. Sometimes I'll leave it like that just to give it a pretty glaze. I don't know, I'm debating doing that or not, but sometimes I like to take the brush and just kind of like smooth it out just a little bit so that there is a nice glaze going to be on top of it whenever it's finished. Yeah, I think I'm just going to finish spreading it out and make it a glaze on top. I actually have a casserole in the oven to go with the side for this, so I can't actually put it in yet, but I'm going to go ahead and explain what I'm going to do. So from here, I have a broil setting, and I'm going to set it on high, and then I will set it for 3 minutes once I put it in, and I will do it at 3-minute intervals until the thick parts at the top here just start to look caramelized, and I'm going to show you what that looks like before I finish. And yes, I know everybody has their own style of barbecuing, and everybody has their own favorite way of doing it. This is just the way that my husband and I do it. I'm not saying this is the absolute best way to do it. I'm just saying this is the way that we do it, that we like it whenever we're making shredded barbecue chicken sandwiches for a group. My casserole just came out, so I'm going to throw this in. I've already got the broil set. I'm going to put it in and set a timer for 3 minutes. So here is after the first 3 minutes. I'm going to zoom and focus. You can see it's starting to caramelize, but it's not quite where I want it. So I'm gonna put it in for another 2 minutes. And then check on it again. All right, here it is again. Again, I'm gonna zoom. You can see the glaze coming on. It's still not quite where I want it to be. So I'm gonna try another 2 minutes. And that right there is what I was going for. If you can see the little tiny bubbles on the top, this right here is exactly what I was going for. If you can see that bubbling effect right here and the glazed look. The lighting is not working with me the best right now, but you can see it up close right here. That is exactly what I was going for with it. So this is completely done. I'm gonna serve it with this, working on a banana pudding over here, have salad ready to go, and I've got some buns. So that's it for this video. Thank you for cooking along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time.